Welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about the longest common prefix in an array, like you will see in the plural, floor, and flight, like another the full. And when we will take the longest common prefix, we will get the f from this string of array. And so we will discuss about the code. So we will get in the code and in this code the starting is from this the main function and we are going the string, so we are calling the longest common prefix function in the here. In these functions we will get a string array from there, and if and we are adding the one if statement, like if this array is null or the length of array is 0, this will be written nothing and the code is the end. But we if we have any length of the string, so we will continue the code like string prefix. In this line we will add a string in the prefix, like the string 0. That's the meaning of string 0 is like the first element of this array, like floor. So after the getting the floor in the prefix, we are in the for loop. We are taking the loop longest than the length of the array, and also we have the integer j. This the value have the 0, and also a integer of max, and in the max we will store the minimum of the length of prefix, and the length of prefix is the length of floor. This can be 6, and the length of string first strs first, it's the first and this the floor, and it will be 4, and the minimum is the 4. Now they will get then while loop. So if the j means the 0 and the max is greater than from the j, means in this condition we have the 0 in the j and we have max as a 4. And another thing is, if prefix character j means the first character j is the f, and string I means one first character j means 0 means another f is equals then j plus plus, and also we are in the while loop. In while loop we are adding something in prefix, so we are making a substring of prefix, and that's the length of substring is 0 to j. Also j is means of 1, and so this is going on 0 to 1. So it will be the f in the prefix and the first time, and this will be if we have another conditions, if there is not f in anybody and prefix also have f, then we are nothing have, so we will get the empty prefix, so we will return nothing. And if and there's we will going on another way in the while loop, and we are get the 1 as place of the 0, and the max also in the time of 4, and there are another prefix round. So this next time is the 1 is meaning of the l, and also that's the first index of the flow, and the Also J is the first, also the L. We are getting another L from this, and again we are getting this thing, and uh, the similar is from the, we will get the FLOW, and this will be going on the second. Second will be this, and prefix we have the FLOW now. This will be compared with the FLIGST, and the FL and FL is the matching another the while loop, and this will be going on the, again we will give the I is equal to 3 and the F O double L. In this time we will get the F, we will get the FL or W in the prefix, but now this time we have the third index like F double L, and we are comparing just like the first index again. Firstly we are using the zero index, the F and F, this will be match, but the second index is not the match, there will be L, so we will return the prefix as the F, and it will be can be output as F.